Lookers, our friendly team are here to help should you need a service or repair. We'll always try our best to get you back on the road fast. We'll make sure that you receive the best service possible with our free vehicle health check, giving you the reassurance that your vehicle is in perfect health. We use a traffic light system. Green is for great health, with no further work required. Amber is for awareness, highlighting any work that will be needed over the next few months and is non-urgent or dangerous. And red is for right now. That's work that cannot wait, as the vehicle will be unsafe to drive. To complement the vehicle health check, we also use See It Now video technology. This gives you greater transparency, as we can demonstrate to you any additional work that your vehicle needs. Once the vehicle health check is complete, you'll receive a text message and an email which will explain any work that's required. You'll be able to click on a link to view a video taken by a technician, which will show any potential issues. As long as you are happy for the work to proceed, you can call us to give us the go-ahead. We'll then let you know when your vehicle is ready. We want you to be reassured that at Lookers, our step-by-step, fully transparent process means that your safety and satisfaction are always guaranteed.
We're offering 3 people a chance to come to Lookers Ellesmere Port to win a 3-hour test drive in one of the 3 new cars Vauxhall are releasing this year. The cars are the Corsa, the Corsa-e and the Grandland X Hybrid 4.
For your chance to win this amazing prize, all you need to do are 3 things. Simply like one of our videos, subscribe to the Lookers Ellesmere Port YouTube channel, and comment below one of the videos that you've done so. This will put you into the prize draw to be one of the first people to come and drive one of these 3 amazing new cars.